8 divided by 2 in bracket 2 plus 2 equals to how much? Okay, then here we need to add the numbers which are found in the bracket, because in order to do this equation we follow BODMAS rule. First bracket, okay, bracket, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Then here 8 divided by 2 in bracket, then 2 plus 2 which is 4, then 8 divided by, this means 2 times 4, 2 times 4. Then here there is a division and multiplication, so we need to define numbers before multiply. Okay, division, multiplication. Therefore first we divide the number, so 8 divided by 2 which is 4, then times 4, 4 times 4 which equals to 16. Okay, therefore 8 divided by 2 in bracket 2 plus 2 which equals to 16, which equals to 16.